said, if you don't get this one slide, you're probably not going to get the excitement about what we have here and how tremendous our product really is. Well, it's the same thing here. We have 3 game changers that really changed the entire industry. I mean, these are beyond anything anyone's ever seen. They've never existed before. And I'm going to do this in ascending order. I'm going to take the 3rd most important first, all right, which is the IBO teams. Now, this isn't small, by the way. It's just that the number 2 and number 1 are just off the charts. But let's take a look at what we're talking about with IBO teams. Remember earlier when we were talking about the 2x20 social network, where you went out, and this is you here, and you put in your first 2 people, which is P1, P2. And after that, you qualify this entire 2x20 social network, which was how many positions? You remember 2x20? It fills up 2 million, right? That's great. Who would ever want more than that? Well, here's a good life. You're going to have to accept a little bit more, because now what's going to happen is after you put in your 2 personals, you're going to form what's called an IBO team. It's IBO team number 1. And here's the really cool part about this. Everything I'm going to show you is automated. All the placement's done for you. Everything is done through our system, and you don't have to do anything but just invite people to get involved in the good life, and it does all of this for you. But it forms your first IBO team. Now, why is that important to you? What could be so excited about an IBO team? Well, begin with, when you form this IBO team number 1, it starts another 2x20 social network. Well, what does that mean? Well, this is IBO team. You're here, and it's another 2x20 that you're going to get paid on. That's another 2 million positions. But wait a minute. I'm up here. I'm getting paid here. Well, guess what? You're now getting paid at team spot number 1. Now, another one comes in. Now, this is where we start talking about the other game changer, this crossover effect. You said in your second IBO team. Well, look what happens. It falls outside your network, and it falls into this guy named Mark. And let's say that's me, all right? And I'm a pretty good builder. And your IBO team fell under here. And so whatever it grows, however many people come in here, hundreds of thousands or whatever, obviously it's creating a 3rd paycheck for you, right? Because you got your first paycheck over here at you, and you got your second one here at team 1, your 3rd one here at team 2. But guess what's happening? I might be the person building that network for you, because everything I do, half of it's going to fall right here under your organization. So now you're getting paid there. And ladies and gentlemen, this keeps going on and on. Now you get IBO team number 3. But now I want to show you something that is so cool and so different from anything you've ever seen. As a matter of fact, this is amazing in itself, because now you're sitting there looking at all these different paychecks you're earning every month. But now you've got this crossover effect. You take Bill over there, all right? If any of you have ever been in this industry before, whether you have or you haven't, there's something we all will, if you didn't know, you're going to know tonight, but most of you do know this. Bill over here, when he puts in his 2 people, and if he goes and puts in 100,000 people, you